This is one of the most powerful PC builds you'll see today. Not the strongest because the RTX 5090 exists, but this one comes incredibly close. He starts the build with the new Intel i9-4 900K Special Edition, a processor designed for people who want the absolute best in gaming and productivity. The case is just as wild. The world's first 4K PC chassis, featuring a built-in 14-inch touchscreen running at full 4K resolution. And then comes the real highlight of this setup, the Asus ROG Matrix RTX 4090. Still one of the fastest GPUs money can buy. Unlike standard graphics cards, this one uses a closed-loop liquid cooling system with thick tubes feeding into a massive 360mm radiator. The result? A GPU that stays cool, stable, and insanely fast, even if the 5090 now holds the crown.